Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add captions to video. So here I'm going to use CapCut to add captions to my clips. So you can just tap on the new projects and choose the video that you want to edit. Okay, I've already choose this videos right here. And now to easily add a captions here, you can just tap on this captions button. And then don't forget to choose the generate from, so the language you can click on auto or choose the specific spoken language on the video. And after that, here you can choose the sound source. I'm going to go with video. If you want to, you can also use templates. I'm not going to. And after that, here you can tap on generate. Now CapCut will generating the captions on your videos. Just wait. So after the captions are finished generating, you can always adjust the style and animations of the caption. You can see this is the result, the default result. If you want to add animation or change the style, you can just click on one of the caption, go to style. Here, for example, I'm going to go to change the animation. Let's try using this ones right here, this glow yellow. Here you can always change the phone if you want to. For example, I'm going to go with this. Okay, I'm going to go with let's try this daisy. Now if you are done, you can click on the check icon, and this is how your caption will look now. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.